You are watching Crazy ATV News.
Hi, welcome to Crazy ATV News. Today, we're going to do a fun experiment. We have some water, some soap, and some dry ice.
Yeah.
No, right here.
Stop.
Here.
Okay, do the big one.
Let's see the way itself.
Yeah. Aaron, help me. Oh no. Do one. I already have one.
Oh my god, so many bubbles.
Yeah.
It looks like a brain, huh?
Yeah. There you go.
Let's see what happens if I do this.
Oh no. Oh, that was huge.
Okay, let's make a real big bubble.
Don't pop it yet. When it gets extremely big.
Then I want to pop it. Hurry! It's going.
Pop it!
Whoa.
Pop.
Stop.
This is a mess. Hey! It looks like a cone head.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Before you go, check out these videos. These videos are funny.